Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can connect Webflow to Stripe. So if you don't know, Stripe is basically a payment gateway that is well known in the world, and if you try to connect it, it's pretty simple. All you need to do guys is to go to the marketplace. Let me just show you how I got there first place. So go to the dashboard and click into the marketplace. Here click on overview, or you can go ahead and click on apps, then type Stripe, and there you go. So that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do. So once you go here, you're simply gonna click on Stripe and you need to install the application. Now, what does it do for you exactly? Whether you are selling digital downloads, physical products, or professional services, the Stripe Webflow app is your ultimate tool for accepting payments directly on your Webflow website. No coding required, just a click and an account within Stripe is all that is needed. So here's what you will get exactly. You would get an effortless product management. You can create and manage your Stripe products right from Webflow, saving time and eliminating complexity. Also, payment links. You can create and manage and embed payment links directly in Webflow. And third, there is payment collection, the easiest and fastest and the most no-code way to collect payments from major credit cards, Apple Pay, and local payment method is basically Stripe. So now all that you have to do is basically click on install application and of course to authorize it. Here you would need to choose your workspace, basically where you have your websites. I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to click on authorize application. So once you do that, they will be taking you to Stripe. Of course, that's all you need to do. Once you have that already, you simply gotta go to Stripe and connect within your account. In case you didn't have an account, you should have an account within Stripe. It's pretty much the requirement. And yeah, that's how you can make your own integration. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.